The Views Designer tab can be accessed across the top portion of the ArmoníaPlus 2.0 workspace window or by pressing F3 on your keyboard. Within this tab, you will find the App View tab, which is located on the left-hand side of the Views Designer window. To add a new app view, simply select New App View. Let's now rename this app view by double-clicking on New View, or by selecting the option to the right of the newly created web view. Here you can see we have the option to delete, rename, or duplicate the current app view. Let's select Rename and name this app view All Systems. To the right-hand side of the Views Designer window, we can access the App View Properties menu. Within the View function, we have the option to engage zones, system scenes, and global power on or off. Let's now engage our zones within the View function's properties and select Theater, Reception, and Nursery. In our App View screen, we can select multiple or independent zones while controlling levels, sources, and mutes. By enabling our system scenes, we now have the ability to recall our Saturday and Sunday sequences with just the press of a single button. Turning on power gives us full global control of our amplifiers by simply pressing and holding the button for a few seconds. Lastly, we have the option of setting this app view to be private and whether it will require a password for control access. We can also generate the QR code of this app view to share it with other users.